My God, Majors!
I will find him.
What the backside wrong with your Majors?
His stepdaughter is a part of the agency.
So what you plan to do? Eh?
So, what are you saying exactly? That I will sell you out?
I am saying, you see, I'm taking the necessary precautions because I don't trust you.
How ironic. An untrustworthy politician does not trust me. How about that?
Let us just call a spade, you see? You used to be Marcus Wallace, a top dog. So anything is possible. This is a business transaction, so get your end of the bargain wrapped up and completed. Or else.
You know, if I didn't know better, I would say that's a threat, Minister Daley.
Is that what it feels like, Majors? Well, if that's the case, I can't help how you receive what I say.
Yes, I should make sure that you're not implicated. Or else. Or else what, Minister? You know, I've been taken for a fool before, and I promised myself that nah happen again. Not by Mullins, not by the agency, and not by a greedy, corrupt, low-life politician. That will never happen again. Remember, I have enough dirt. I wouldn't even call that dirt. I have enough sewage on you to put you in jail for a very, very long time. So I would watch my tone.
Majors, you're ruthless. And that's one of the things that I like about you. Tell you what, retrieve the laptop, let us take down this agency, appoint a new chair to the agency, and forget this even exists. Alright?
Sounds like a plan to me.
Good. In the meantime, I have someone I think I need to get in touch with. That person can do a little infiltration of our own family. That's it!
Actually, I'm gonna show that from last night and I'm gonna get that. Put me for so you can see it. Alright. Let's say go on and yeah. She get a call from her mother yesterday afternoon. And she just rush out of the house and say she could day on the road a day or two. And she didn't tell you where she go? No, I didn't really press her. Because she in a one of them mood. What kind of mood that? Agent mode. No laughing thing. Silent and deadly. More as that. But you're supposed to know so she can't just disappear and know what she did. It's all like kind of country she gone. But you know which one? German, you see Tony on your radar? Because we not hear from her. Yeah, but she beg me not to disclose her location. She alright? She good, but I have some personal family things she a deal with, and she a beg some privacy. Alright. More over that. Let's do that check for make sure. Thanks. She alright? Yeah, she good. Whisper, I really remember she gonna link with or she gone on an assignment. Yeah man, you look like her mother for real. If I did assignment, would I know? Me know more want enough for high things from we, because of how the life set up. This is not one of them time. Right now, the lifestyle I have me away for the last 2 weeks, brother. Because of the incident you got in the house? That and some other things. But mainly that. Me never see her them way they yet. Over so I say, it's a serious thing for witness. Me can deal with certain things, bro. But you see the moment when I communicate, this is the issue then. She not communicate with you? She not say nothing. All she say, she can't talk about it because of agency business. Well, brother, you have to just understand that, certain things you can't talk about. Even the fact that she shoot a man in our living room, dog. I say she don't want to talk to you. But you see, because it's an ongoing investigation, she can't say nothing about it till it deal with. Not even if the man dead or alive. 2 toes, Mrs. Someone in a black, come and disappear with the body. You know what I ask you? Anybody in our community ask you anything about it? No. She not explain to me say the gun muffle the sound, so but not hear nothing. Yeah. It sound more like a balloon burst than a gunshot. So maybe that's why nobody not ask you. A TV alone saying the thing upon me general. I know them thing they are going in a real life. Them thing they are traumatized, my brother. Karim, you know say I have to hold it though. It's not something you can say to nobody at all. I know that but it's hard when me can't talk to my woman. And she not even want to say nothing to me. Just know so when the time right, she will reason with you about it. Me not think that gonna happen. Me don't know who the man will come to the house, I'm not even know if we're in a danger or what. We're not in a danger, brother. Trust me. Everything go. You can say that, but me know you not tell me if we're in a danger. Just believe in a brother. You're a good man. So what are you there? And when am I doing? You know, so we can't get that information. See? I see him thing me I tell you about. Me can't manage my life, Karim, you love Tony? What kind of question that? What you think? Me think. I think say if you did sure say you love her, you wouldn't hesitate to say it. Me not hesitate. But I still not answer the question. Instead you ask me back a question.